Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Microsoft Photos app is missing in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to navigate at the button search bar here and type for Windows PowerShell, or you can simply type PowerShell to search it. Once you have typed it, a best match should appear, which is a system called Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you have selected the system and not either of this PowerShell ISE x86 or ISE or PowerShell x86. Make sure that you have selected this one without any extension, Windows PowerShell system. The moment you have seen the best match, go with Run as administrator, click on it, and wait until your to proceed with yes, simply click on yes so that you would be able to give permission on running the PowerShell window as administrator. Once you have bring up your Windows PowerShell, there at the description box below, I'll be pasting a link there or a command text. You just have to copy it, okay? I'll be including a command text there. Make sure you have copied it before you proceed or navigate to the PowerShell. Okay, so this is a very important command text that you need to paste here at the Windows PowerShell. Make sure you paste it because when you type that, there is a tendency that you will commit an error or a typo, and that would sometimes lead to an error, or might worst, you won't be able to fix the problem. Okay, so it is get-AppxPackage space dash all users space Microsoft.Windows photos space vertical bar space Foreach space open bracket add-AppxPackage space dash DisableDevelopmentMode space dash register space open quotation mark dollar sign open parentheses $ underscore dot InstallLocation close parentheses backward slash AppXManifest.xml close quotation mark, close bracket. Okay? So Control C to copy. And once you have copied it, don't forget to paste it here at the PowerShell. So Control V to paste. And once you have pasted that, click on Enter. So this will reinstall your photos. So make sure that you click on Enter. Okay? And it will only take less than a minute to finish the procedure. Once you have done it, you need to close the window and check if your photos is now appearing or is there in your Windows 11 PC this time. So here at the bottom search bar, search for it. Search for photos. So simply type for photos. In my case, I have seen it already under the best match. You need to click on open and wait until you are being navigated to the photos window itself. So it might take some time, but you have just to put a lot of patience. In my case, it's now appearing in my Windows screen. Okay, so you can see I have here my photos and it's working perfectly fine. Okay, so we just have to wait until the loading process would be finished, and there we have that. We can now use our Google Photos, I mean Microsoft Photos application. Sorry, my bad. This is a Microsoft Photos, not Google Photos. So Microsoft Photos here, where you can click on this three lines where you can see gallery, favorites, your user account, your iCloud photos, this PC, as well as you can import photos too. You can select it, okay? And you can also go with your favorites if you have favorites here, okay? So simply close the window and you're good to go. So that's it. Hopefully your photos which is missing is now appearing or is now back in your Windows 11 PC once you have the moment you have performed the step. If yes, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.